Hi guys, I'm Keshia, celebrity makeup artist, and I'm here with Acti-Labs to show you their contour palette. Now I know contouring can seem a little daunting sometimes, so I'm going to show you a really easy way how to do it, even for beginners. So firstly, I would recommend using a powder contour, as blending with a powder is a lot easier than with a liquid. And you can achieve a great look in just a few minutes. So let's have a look at the shades in the Acti-Labs contour palette. So you have 4 colours, obviously, as you can see. And the first one is a really beautiful light colour, but it doesn't have shimmer in. So this is great if you want to lighten up your under eye area or under your contour without any shimmer or highlight. Now that's very, very essential when you're highlighting. Then you have this lovely shimmery highlight, which is also essential if you want to get some nice highlight on the top of the apple of your cheeks or even in the corner of your eyes. Then you have this really lovely pink blusher, and then of course we have our contour shade. So you've literally got everything you need to contour basically in this one kit.
I already had some blusher on, so going to show you a quick contouring demo. You want to blend your contour colour just under the apple of your cheeks. If you get confused about where to put it, just make this pouty face and follow the natural contour line your face creates. You can also put some on your forehead and jawline. Voila!
So how easy was that to contour, by the way? Super, super easy. So I'm just going to finish off by adding some highlighter in the corner of my eyes. I really love that. It really helps to brighten the eye look. And then I'm going to add some of that lighter colour, you know, the one that I said without the shimmer. And I'm just going to put that under my eye so you can see actually how much of a difference that makes. Now look at that. Because sometimes with concealer, you can still get a bit of darkness under the eye. And this just really helps to brighten the whole area right up. I love, love using this kind of technique. And there you have it, a really quick and easy introduction into contouring, even for beginners. You might also be interested to know that this palette contains Kaolin, which helps to absorb excess oil from the skin. Great. It also has vitamin E, which nourishes the skin and protects it from free radicals. And lastly, if that wasn't enough, it's got zinc, which is great for everyday skin health. So you can care for your skin and get a really trendy contour look. It's perfect for me. Really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Where the party at